Hey y'all, what's good? It's me, Antonio Young, back with another one. Y'all, it been a couple of days since I record something, so now, um, oh yeah, good morning everybody. And this morning I'm about to eat my breakfast this morning, and I'm about to what I'm eating for my breakfast. Y'all want to know? I don't know if y'all heard of it before or not, but I'm about to eat me some corned beef hash. Y'all heard of that corned beef hash? Yeah, you can buy it from the store. It come in a can. You cook it. Yeah, let me show you how it look though, so y'all can know what corned beef hash is. All right, hold up. See, that's corned beef hash that my mom holding in her hand. That what corned beef hash look like. So I'm about to eat that with my breakfast. Bring it a little closer, see, so they can see corned beef hash. Yeah, that's gonna be good. But I'm gonna add some hot chips in mine and some crackers.
Yeah.
That junk will be hitting, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all how it look when it get done, alright? There you go, y'all. Alright, take my meal. See? Corned beef hash with hot tater chips and crackers. See? Corned beef hash with hot tater chips and rich crackers. Alrighty. Yeah, I know it look crazy, but it's gonna be good. Hot chips, rich crackers, and corned beef hash with potatoes. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. I'm gonna mix it all together. See, corned beef hash. Uh-huh. Have y'all ever ate corned beef hash with hot tater chips and rich crackers? Yeah, I know it's kind of crazy, but let's try it. All right, let's try it. Corned beef hash and potato. Mm, that's good. Mm. Ooh, ooh, pretty good. It's hot too, though. Mm. Mhm. Crackle. Mm. Mm, mm, mm.